the GRA Feed Style Kit. Well, that's not going to air up. These fenders aren't bolted on right now. I'm starting with the rear. The rear side markers will help align and hold on the rear pieces. A whole lot of tape later. "2012. This is the last time I drove this car on the road. 10 years. 10 years is a long time. In 2012, I started the swap. I swapped around engines and RX-7s a few times. Now, if someone wanted to help finish this car and provide an LS3 and T56 Magnum and a few other missed parts and get it turnkey running and driving and mode this kit on, I'd happily give a running and driving Trans Am for the efforts. Also, I have the mounting kits and wiring ready to go. Long shot, but just throwing the offer out there. I bounce around a lot. Now I'm going to apply the same for the other side. I'm not a body guy by no means. I will get this professionally installed. The kit lines up pretty good for a rough mock-up with tape. I don't think I'll need a whole lot of work. With 7 liters in the plans, a Ford 8.8 is necessary. It is legit thicker than a Snicker.